In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix MetaTrader 5 app crashing. MetaTrader 5 can crash due to several factors, including low device memory, RAM, insufficient storage, outdated operating systems, or conflicts with other running apps. Corrupted installation files, outdated versions of the Mt5 app, or bugs introduced in recent updates can also cause instability. Head to Settings and select on the Settings option. Tap on Storage and clean all cache. If you're using heavy indicators, expert advisors, or handling many charts at once, it can overload the app and lead to crashes, especially on lower-end devices. Make sure to regularly update the application and also limit resourcing-heavy features to improve stability. Well, those are some of the basics on how to fix MetaTrader 5 app when crashing. And if you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.